Imagine a world where your efforts stand out from the crowd, where people recognize and appreciate your unique talent and qualities. The world within your reach through the art of personal branding. In this video, we are going to guide you through the 7 steps to help you identify and define your personal brand. Create a powerful presence that resonates with your audience. A personal brand will make you an expert in your field and attract new opportunities with good reputation. Hey there, welcome back on my channel, where we help individuals like you grow and monetize your personal brand, whether you are a creative, entrepreneur, or a content creator. So let's get started. The first step in building your personal brand is to identify your goals and understand why you started this journey. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve? What impact do you want to make? Take some time to reflect your passion, strength, and aspirations. Develop your values. What principles and skills do you hold? Your values are guiding lights that shape your personal brand and will establish your authenticity and meaningful connection with your audience. Like as Gary Vee once said, your personal brand should reflect your values, passion, expertise. It's about being true to yourself and communicating your authenticity to the world. 3. You have to identify your target audience. Ask yourself this question: who is your ideal audience? Understand the person who you are trying to help out. This is going to help you tailor the message and create content that resonates with them. Deep dive into their needs, desires, pain points. By speaking direct to your audience's hearts and mind, you will build a loyal and engaging following. Step 4. Craft your personal brand statement. A personal brand statement is a powerful representation of who you are and what you offer. It's your unique personal proposition that sets you apart from the competition. Take time to craft a compelling personal brand statement and ensure to make it clear and simple. Well, step 5. Build an online presence and increase your social proof. Today in the digital age, having a strong personal presence is a great way of showcasing your personal brand. Establishing your presence on relevant platforms, blogs, websites, and showcasing your expertise, sharing valuable content, and engaging with your audience. Don't forget to gather social proof such as testimonies, positive reviews to build trust and credibility. Step 6. Be authentic and consistent. Authenticity is a cornerstone of a successful personal brand. Be true to yourself and let your unique personality shine through. Maintain a consistent tone, message, visual identity across all your brand touchpoints. You will have to create a cohesive and memorable experience for your audience. Remember, consistency builds recognition. A good man once said, your personal brand is a combination of how you present yourself, how others perceive you, and what you consistently deliver. Step 7. Develop your visuals. At last, you have to really develop your visuals. They convey your personality, style, and professionalism. Invest time in creating your visual appealing personal brand identity, including the following. You must have a logo, color palette, a photography style. Consistency in visual elements will help you as a personal brand to stand out and be remembered. So, congratulations! You have discovered the key steps to identify and define your personal brand. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more valuable content on personal branding and self-improvement. Remember to hit the notification bell and don't miss out the future updates. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.